Today I want to maintenance my strawberry. This strawberry I planted in the pot before. The Houston hot weather, and the strawberry don't do too good in the pot, and needs water every day and not enough. And the strawberry actually doesn't need too much watering, but however, growing in the pot just they cannot breathe, and the pot is just too small for they to grow. I grow in the pot, so now I learned the experience that growing on the ground will be much better for strawberry to do better. So right now I am removing the old leaves of the strawberry and touch the ground and also very base. After that I will give some fertilizer, then it cover with a straw for them to grow better. I noticed that after I transplanted them from a pot to the ground, they are doing much better now. When they were in the pot, every day I come back from work, the leaves are all hanging down, so sad. If you touch their dirt, actually it's not too dry and inside of the pot, but the plants just so not heavy. Now, since I planted them on the ground, the leaves doesn't go down sadly anymore. Right now, they just get used to this kind of the new condition, growing condition right now. The leaves too dense, so I am removing yellow thick leaves and also thin the plants to make airflow better. Then I will fertilize. I want to take care of this strawberry plant so it will survive this winter and do better and produce a better strawberry next year. Okay, yeah, they look good now. I'm going to give them some fertilizer by loosening up the soil, then bury the fertilizer next to the root, but not close to root. Oops, don't be too much. That's okay. I'm not sure strawberry, this is my first time grow strawberry. So I'm not sure how we do this. I'm just look at this little root here. I will just bury this on the ground to make new plants for next year. Later on I have a room, I could cut that one and then find a new place for them to plant. Some bone meal. Be sure wear your mask when you handle bone meal. If there's no wind, bone meal just floating in the air, get into your nose, your lungs. I try to hold my breath. I should take care of myself. Put a mask. This one dead, looks dead, but still a little green, so I'm gonna bury to see if it will come back. When I transplanted this one from a pot, it already looked dead. So this one looks dead, but I also have some green leaves, so I can let it green. I need to use scissors to cut this part. They are too hard to cut. Okay. Yeah, I will mulch it, then it will be happy. For strawberry, mulch definitely helps because when you go to strawberry farm to pick strawberries, their strawberry always have a thick layer of mulch. There's a little baby. Cool. Very beautiful. I love this little strawberry patch. I hope this strawberry will do well and produce some strawberries.